Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we have 5 Benchmades to open up. What happened here? So I had no idea that Benchmade was sending me anything. I didn't know until I got a UPS notification on my phone saying you have a package arriving soon from Benchmade. So reaching out to their marketing guy, I said, hey, what's up? What are you guys sending? They said, yeah, hope you like it. So further conversation with them. I said, that was really nice of you. Would you guys like me to do a giveaway after I'm done doing the videos? And they said, sure, that would be really cool. So that was incredibly nice of Benchmade. So before I even open these up, I'm going to let you guys know that these will eventually be giveaway items on a live stream in the very near future. So yeah, you might be able to get in on that. Thanks so much to Benchmade for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I will link all of this stuff down in the description so that you guys can check it out if you want to. This is exceptionally kind considering I wasn't super nice, to put it lightly, with some of the recent Benchmade knives that I have reviewed, mainly with pricing. I've voiced my opinion on that. I know that a lot of you have voiced your opinion on pricing as well when it comes to Benchmade knives. So I feel like doing a giveaway with stuff that was sent to me for free from Benchmade would be a really, really good idea. I think that was super duper cool of Benchmade, and I'm sure that you guys will agree, most of you anyway. But let's go ahead and see what we've actually got here. We have some new things. Look at it. They said two narrows and 2 mini narrows, which I'm pretty sure is a brand new thing. And then something else called the Dacian. The Dacian? I'm honestly not sure. Let's actually open up. I just want to take a look at the 2 narrows here. We're going to get everything, but let's open up the 2 narrows first and see exactly what we're looking at here. I'm going to guess, and this is the knife that I was talking about, you know, that I reviewed it, and oh, it's that we have the DLC one. So these are incredibly expensive, right? Incredibly expensive, which is, it's just making that all the more interesting to me. But you know, despite me giving this, not because of the knife design or its functionality as a tool, I think it's fine, right? If you've watched my review on this. My issue with it was the price tag. Like I said, I just thought it was way too expensive. But certainly something that people might enjoy if they ended up getting it for free. If you're wondering, usually I do giveaways on live streams. There's no payment or anything special you have to do to enter. Basically, you just show up. And I'll announce exactly when I'm going to do this when the date comes. I'm going to guess that this one, given that the code is, it says narrows and then nothing else on there, I'm going to guess this one is the standard one. And that is absolutely the case. So right there, that's quite a bit. It's quite a bit of Benchmade for sure. Very kind. And now, probably, you know, more interesting to a lot of people are these new mini narrows. So let's open up, looks like 1 black and 1 satin as well. Let's open up the standard one first and just take a look and do a size comparison between this and the standard size. Okay, so commenting on the size difference, I think they did a decent job scaling this thing down. I was worried that this would almost end up as like a mini, and it's not a mini, it's just a smaller version. I mean, well, obviously, but mini, I was hoping that they wouldn't end up doing almost like a micro knife, because again, this is going to end up being a very, very expensive knife for sure. There's no getting around that, right? 7 inches on the new guy. 3 inches on the blade length and 2.85 inches on the cutting edge versus 8 inches on the original, 3.35 inches on the blade, and just slightly over 3. It's about 3.3 on the cutting edge. So yeah, those are your size differences there. And then I think we should probably go ahead and weigh this guy. I don't know that you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just remove it. I know that doesn't really weigh anything, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So the weight on the standard Narrows, which, if you didn't know, is an incredibly lightweight knife at 2.4 ounces. I'm going to guess this guy weighs under 2. Let's find out. Nope, it's right on. Let's try again. Can I get it to 1.9? No, it weighs 2 ounces. Little teeny tiny skinny guy there for sure. Little guy. Not so small that I can't manipulate it. That's usually where I draw the line personally. If it's so small that it's uncomfortable or awkward to manipulate, obviously that depends a lot on hand size, then personally it's not going to be a knife for me. Let's go ahead and open up the other mini Narrows here. This guy's sealed. And take a look at the, obviously the small DLC version. And there we go. Same exact thing. Is it exactly identical? I think it is. Yeah, it's the same deal here. So we have black with black pivot collars, a black pocket clip, all of that. Same type of deal. Let's go here and here. And then now the last thing we have, I believe, is a new fixed blade model. And they asked me, they said, we weren't sure because you don't do a lot of fixed blade stuff. And, you know, if you watch my channel, you'll know that usually I don't. I still like to look, especially from companies like Benchmade. I still like to know what they've got coming out. And every now and then it's something that I think is really interesting. So this is, again, the Dacian. Okay. Very straightforward. I do like the copper and denim combination. Oh, is this Magna Cut? Okay, wow. What are we running that Magna Cut to? Nice stonewash finish there. Heavy jimping, way out. Actually, this is super comfortable. This is right about the size that this is probably on the larger end of what I would normally carry for EDC. Is that the right way? Can this go in either way, I wonder? No, I think this is the right way and the other way is the wrong way. Yeah. So it's going to be this way. I wonder if the edge feels exactly the same. That Benchmade edge, man, that thing is bitey. So this is the right way. Is it? Did I just put it in the wrong way again? No, I feel like I'm putting it in the right way. Well, this is the right way. I put it in wrong twice. This is roughly as large as it gets for me in terms of carrying a fixed blade, because I prefer to not carry it on my belt or my, like behind my back or anything like that. I want it to be able to go in my pocket. And most of the time I'm going to EDC a folding knife because I personally don't need what a fixed blade, even a small one, is capable of. It's so massively overkill. I mean, even the folding knives that I carry day to day are so massively overkill for what I'm going to use a knife for. A fixed blade just takes it to a whole nother level. But it is cool. I am certain, again, thank you very much, Benchmade, for the free stuff. That's kind that you want, that you're okay with me giving this stuff away. I'm still certain that the price tag on this is going to be, Benchmades are made in the USA, so their pricing is inevitably going to be much higher than, your Chinese production stuff. But they just, especially with the Narrows, they tend to be absolutely they are absolutely insane in terms of pricing. But, like I said, the nice thing about these Narrows and mini Narrows in particular is that I've already reviewed the Narrows. You can go and check that review out if you want to. But the mini Narrows, I will do a separate review on. I'm guessing I'm probably going to arrive at essentially the same conclusions, except it is smaller, right? But still, I'd like to give my thoughts on that. After I'm finished with that, we will absolutely do a giveaway where you guys can get in on this. So I'm sure that there are plenty of people out there who would love to own these knives and are simply not capable or not willing to pay the prices. So that works out, and I'm happy to do that. So thank you very much, Benchmade, for providing this stuff. That was really cool of you. I will let you guys know, there was actually a 6th knife in the box, but I'm not allowed to show it to you yet. So that will come down the road probably about mid-September. So expect to see one more unboxing from me over the next few weeks in terms of Benchmade knives. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. I don't think there's really anything else to say here. Yeah, we have a couple of mini Narrows and 2 regular size Narrows, and the new, what was this called again? Let's take a look here. Dacian. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's going to be it. All right. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.